of the required relations for the effect of temperature on the velocity of sound, and therefore final relation is V is equal to V0 plus 0.16 into T. This is the equation of velocity of sound at any temperature T degree centigrade. Now let us see one of the important third application. The effect of third application is effect of humidity on velocity of sound. Velocity of sound. Now the velocity of sound depends on the presence of water vapor in the air. That is called as the moisture air. And therefore humidity is nothing but presence of water vapor in the air is called as the humidity. And let Vm is the velocity of sound of moist air, and Vd the velocity of sound of dry air when the air is dry. And let rho m is the density of moist air and rho d is the density of dry air. And putting this value in the Laplace formula. And what is the Laplace formula? The Laplace formula is V is equal to under root of gamma p upon rho. And therefore, we can construct the two equations for the moisture air. Vm is equal to कसे लिहिता येईल? Gamma p upon rho m. And for the dry air, this is for moist air, and for dry air Vd is equal to under root of gamma p upon rho d. Dividing this equation number 1, this equation number 2. Dividing equation 1 by 2. And therefore we can have rho m upon Vm upon Vd is equal to under root of gamma p rho m. And उलट करू काय rho d upon gamma p. Gamma p will get cancelled, and this is equal to under root of rho d upon rho m. Therefore Vm upon Vd is equal to rho d upon rho m. But since density of dry air is 1.293 and density of moist air is very less, and since rho of d is always greater than rho of m, the density of dry air is always greater than rho of moist air, the density of moisture air, and density of moisture is always less than 1. Hence, since this numerator is greater than denominator, since rho of m, then we can write rho of m upon rho of d is greater than 1, because this ratio is greater than 1, and hence we can write rho of m, the v of m greater than v of d. That is velocity of moist air is greater than velocity of dry air. Velocity in moisture air is greater than velocity in dry air. When the velocity of the sound in the moisture air is greater than velocity of sound in dry air. When the air is dry, during the daytime, air is moisture, because due to the evaporation during the daytime, the amount of water vapor increases during the daytime. Hence, during the daytime, air is moisture, and during the night time, air is dry. Hence, the velocity of sound during the daytime is greater than the velocity of sound during the night time. And we can easily explain this. समजा दुपारी 12 वाजता एखादं विमान तुमच्या घरावरनं जात असेल, तर त्यावेळेस आपल्याला आवाज जोरात ऐकू येतो, आणि ते विमान जर रात्री 12 वाजता गेलं तर आपल्याला आवाज ऐकू येत नाही. म्हणजे रात्री velocity of sound काय असतो? कमी असतो, आणि दिवसा velocity of sound काय असतो? जास्त असतो. म्हणून दिवसा आपल्याला आवाज ऐकू येतो, रात्री आपल्याला आवाज ऐकू येत नाही. Why? Because velocity of sound during the moisture air is greater than that of dry air. This is one of the important things here. This is the effect of humidity on the velocity of sound. That is one of the important questions. Show that velocity of sound in the moisture air is greater than velocity of sound in dry air. This is why the velocity of sound during the daytime is larger during the night time. Now, let us see one of the important points, that is ecosystem. What is the ecosystem? Ecosystem. Now, ecosystem is the repetition of original sound after reflection from the hilly region, which is 17 meters away from the source of sound. Which is 17 meters away from the source of sound, we can hear the same sound 2 or 3 times, and that is called as the ecosystem. Ecosystem म्हणजे काय? प्रतिध्वनी. तोच आवाज आपल्याला परत परत ऐकू येतो. आणि हे कुठे आढळतं आपल्याला की ज्यावेळेस आपण हिल स्टेशनवर जातो आणि एखाद्या मोठ्या टेकडी एखादी दरी असेल आणि त्या दरीच्या समोर आपण जर जोरात बोललो, शाऊट केलं, तर तोच आवाज आपल्याला 2 ते 3 वेळा ऐकू येतो. दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज द इकोसिस्टम. अँड व्हॉट इज द कंडिशन? सपोज दॅट दिस इज द हिल and this is the person, and this distance might be when the person is standing 70 meters away from the hill. This is the hill, and when he shout, he can hear the same sound after some time, after reflection, and that is called as the ecosystem. And what is the condition? Echo is heard when the distance between the source of sound and the hill must be 17 meters, and therefore after reflection, suppose that at any temperature T, the velocity of sound is 344 meter per second at any temperature, and therefore distance covered after reflection, and therefore this sound is emitted by the person and it reaches here, and after reflection, and this sound is reaches to the person, and it is possible. केव्हा शक्य आहे? When the reflection occurs after 1/10 of second, the reflection is reflection केव्हा यायला पाहिजे? After 1/10 of second. After 1/10 of second, after direct sound is heard. And why? Because why? This is the property of our human ear. We can distinguish between two sounds when the sound is heard when the reflection is heard after 1/10 of second. This is the property of our human ear, and therefore the distance covered after reflection of sound, and distance covered d is equal to what? Velocity into time. And therefore velocity is 344 into time. The reflection of when we heard the echo, when the reflection takes place after 1/10 of second, and 1/10 of second म्हणजे काय? 0.1 second. 1/10 म्हणजे काय? 0.1, and the time is 0.1, and therefore multiplying by 0.1 it is 34.4 meter. And the distance covered by the sound after reflection is 34.4. And then what is what before reflection? When the distance between the person and the hill is that's half, and therefore the distance between person and the wall. Suppose that this is the wall, big wall, is equal to 34.4 divided by 2, because this is the distance covered after reflection is twice, and the distance between these two is before reflection is half of this value, and therefore this is 17.2 meter, and therefore the distance between the person and the hill is 17.2 meter. This is the condition for echo. Echo is heard when the distance between them is 17 meters. Why? It can be easily proved from this equation. That is after reflection, the distance covered by the sound is d is equal to velocity into time. Velocity is 334 into time required to her the echo is 0.1, and therefore the distance covered after reflection, and the distance covered is twice, and before reflection what is the distance? Half of the twice distance. Hence echo is heard when the distance between the person and the hill is 17 meters. This is the concept of echo. This is one of the important concepts, and that we can experience when we are go at the hill station. This is one of the important concepts. And remember, in this chapter or in the book, due to the COVID-19, the 25% syllabus is reduces in every chapter. And which are the point immediate? That is 8.2, 8.3, 8.6, 8.9. These points are omitted from this chapter. Hence, if you like my video, subscribe it and click on the like button.